So, of course, there's a reason why we use plastic, and the main reason is basically that it's so useful. It keeps things watertight so nothing leaks out. It stops things from going off, which is why we've got sort of tub there, things you can store in. It can be shaped or molded into lots of different things, from chairs to cars and pens, carpet tiles, and it can also look pretty. But there are a lot of problems with it. So plastic is harmful to all living things. The way plastic is made releases harmful gases into the air. Okay, and those are harmful for the environment and can be dangerous for animals and things like that. So plastic lasts for a very, very long time. It cannot decompose like vegetables, fruit or meat. So that was one of the words in the vocabulary list for decompose. If it is burnt, it releases harmful gases into the air and causes air pollution. So it puts harmful gases and things into the air. And again, that has a lot of bad effects or negative effects on the environment. It is usually buried in huge landfill sites. So this means that we don't see it, but it's still there and can last for many hundreds of years. So the biggest problem with plastic. So the biggest problem with unwanted plastic is the pollution and damage it does to the environment. So plastic breaks down into tiny pieces which can get blown away by the wind and rain. And these end up in our streams, rivers and the seas. So plastic is toxic for the world's water and land, causing harm to fish, animals and birds. Even glitter is toxic for living things. These microbeads, so these sort of things here, are easily eaten by fish and other sea animals. It can make them very ill or even kill them. And they can make us ill if we eat the fish.